Then, why we study human behavior in the organization? In the organizational settings, we mainly consider people, structure, and technology. From all of them, a manager has to manage the people only because of managed people can obviously take care of technology and structure. यहाँ हम टर्म यूज़ कर रहे हैं मैनेज्ड पीपल. This is a challenge for the manager to satisfy his workforce. For this purpose, he must be careful in understanding their behavior. The study of human behavior benefits him in several ways. So these are the reasons. Uh, First one is, by studying human behavior, a manager can understand himself and others in a better way. This may be helpful in improving interpersonal relations and for making congenial work environment in the organization. Second one is, by studying human behavior, a manager comes to know about the needs of employees. Knowledge of needs helps the manager to apply appropriate motivational techniques to motivate his employees. Then, by studying human behavior, manager understands the problems of employees, predicts its future course of action, and control its evil consequences. तो पहले से ही आइडिया हो जाता है कि जब हम ह्यूमन बिहेवियर स्टडी कर लेते हैं तो मैनेजर को क्या फ़ायदा हुआ कि वो पहले से समझ लेता है कि एम्प्लॉयज़ को इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं, तो अनुमान लग गया. अब फ्यूचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन प्रिडिक्ट किया जा सकता है ना, और ओवरकम किया जा सकता है बैरियर्स को. नेक्स्ट वन इज, द स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन बिहेवियर मेक्स possible the optimum use of resources. The study of human behavior helps the manager in implementing changes in the organization by predicting and controlling the human behavior. In a nutshell, we may say that treating employees as human beings and not machines enables the manager to maintain cordial industrial relations which create peace and harmony in organization. The most popular reason for studying human behavior is to learn how to predict human behavior and then apply it in some useful way to achieve the organizational goals effectively. It also enables manager to inspire and motivate employees towards higher productivity and better results.